Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through installing the latest version of Python on Windows 11. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to the python.org. In the Google, I'm going to search for Python download. You can see python.org. When you click on it, you can able to see the python.org/downloads. Today I'm going to use a standalone installer. But in the future, this installer was going to be deprecated. So we need to install using the Python install manager. So for that one, I will create a separate video. As of now, I'm going to use this Python standalone installer. And you can see the current version of the Python is 3.14.3. I click download on it. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. On the installation in screen, make sure to check the box that says add a python.exe to the path. You can see here add a python.exe to path. Check this one, and this will make your life easier later. One more thing, just to inform you, as you can see here, the note is given. The installer is begin retired and will no longer be available after Python 3.15. So as I mentioning earlier, this is the standalone installation. So it will directly after clicking the installer, it will directly start to install the Python. But from the Python version 3.15, we need to download and we need to install the Python using Python install manager. So for that Python install manager, I will create a separate video. Right now, I'm going with this install now. Once it's done, click close. To confirm Python is installed, open the command prompt and type python version. If you see the Python number, you are all set. Now we can start coding. So I'm going to use the Python IDE. If you go to the search and type Python, you can able to see ideally, which is by default install at the time with the package. You can see ideally. This is nothing but a IDE for Python. And let me type hello world, print hello world. As you can see, it's printing. So that's it for today. I'm starting a Python beginner to master tutorial series where we cover everything step by steps from basic to real world projects. It will also cover the data science with Python, like NumPy, Pandas, and all those libraries, how to be able to use in our data science projects. If you want to learn Python seriously, you are in the right place. Stay tuned, and in the next video, we will start Python from absolute scratch. Let's code and grow together.